So this is your actual Wi-Fi chip, Wi-Fi card which is in your MacBook, which was all torn down like this. So there's a shield. This shield usually goes over this, and over this shield is going to be a sticker. So this is how a Wi-Fi card should look like. You can see the shield, right? The black thing and the shield is all soldered to it. There are no screws or any kind of clips or anything which holds that shield in place. This is how a Wi-Fi chip should look like, but it is all looking like this. Somebody tried to pull the shield forcefully, and I will just show you this chip. How does it look under the microscope? So you can see the whole the Wi-Fi card is all torn on the edges. You can actually see how much the damage has been made. So I really don't know who opened it or anything. I just realized it this morning. I was just figuring out why it is still, the fan is spinning and all. So this is how the Wi-Fi card looks like. This is how the Wi-Fi card is supposed to look, but this is how it's looking. So this shield has been pulled out. You can actually see the small traces of the board which is already stuck to the shield. So this shield is soldered to it over like this, and this sticker should go over the shield, but somebody tried to rip it off and without knowing how to take it out, and this glue was not sticking properly, so he tried to wrap the tape around this. So this is your Wi-Fi card. This is my Wi-Fi card. This is one thing. And secondly, if you can see this tiny chip on the fan, so this is the sensor which actually reads the temperature of the MacBook and makes the fan spin at whatever speed is needed. So there's another chip here under this fan. Every MacBook fan has a chip like this, which is more like a controller for the rotation of the fan. So this one controller is heating under the thermal camera, but this fan's controller isn't heating. So due to this is shorted. There's no way that we can just replace this chip because this is not available anywhere. So probably we should replace the fan in which this chip comes as a part of a fan. So this fan has to be replaced now. I was scratching my head since about a week or something as to why the fans are spinning. So this thermal inspection is the last resort where it will show up if there are any heat spots on the motherboard. And the pointer was the fan will only spin at the speed which is actually spinning right now currently is only when there is a problem either on the keyboard or trackpad or motherboard or the Wi-Fi card or anything. So in the same course I tried to take your Wi-Fi card out, and once I took out, I've shown you how it was under the microscope. The shield was ripped off, and this label was tried to tape. It was taped to it, and it was not in a proper condition. So that's where I actually pulled out my test Wi-Fi card. Even then the fan spinning didn't stop. When the thermal inspection was done, this particular thing was heating. So this thing heating is enough for the fan to blow up at very high speed. So I placed the order for this particular fan today in the morning. So I'm just waiting when the fan will be here. So once the fan is here, we will install the fan and see what's happening. Even I didn't know that the fan actually has an issue, because in my 12-13 years of experience, I have never seen this controller of the fan blue for any reason. I have worked on worst of the worst MacBooks which are already been messed up by someone, which apparently they are not fixed anyway, but still this is the first time ever I have seen this particular controller of the fan blue. And that there might be multiple reasons for it, but I really don't know why this has happened. So we're trying to working on it now.